That would be all. Thank you.
Sa live singing.
When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's lifting out, to not give up when you're there. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is.
You're my everything, forever in the day I need to close to me. At sa awiting kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo.
Kilig po ako.
I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. No, and this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord knows I can't change.
natin ang ating mga housemates at ang ating mga finalists sa kanilang talent portion. I think it's time na magpasiksiyo ng ating mga housemates. Ito na ang ating swimwear competition. Let's start with Rika.
That picture of you is so magical. We'd be so fantastical.
Here's Tom.
Leather and jeans, rush glamorous, not show.
Come on, Yuri.
Photo of us, it don't have a price. Ready for those flashing lights. 'Cause you know that
Let's give it up for Paul Jakes. Let's go, Patria. Go, 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 Hermes. Let's go, Melissa.
Baby, you'll be famous. Chase you till you love me.
Let's go, Kathy.
I'll be your girl, backstage at the show. Velvet ropes and guitars. Yeah, 'cause you're my rock star in between the set.
Ngayon, para malaman natin kung sino ang 5 finalist na makakasama pa natin, eto na, naku, na-miss ko to. Hi, Kuya!
Magandang gabi sa iyo, housemates. Sa inyong 10, ito na ang 5 napili ng aking mga kaibigan. Magpapatuloy ka sa susunod na bahagi ng proseso ng Big Swan. Melissa. Hermes. 3 spots left. At kasama ka, Patria. Tibo. At ang huling spot ay para sa iyo, Kathy.
Hello and congratulations sa ating top 5 finalists.
Para sa nakaka-tense na question and answer portion, pipili ang bawat top 5 housemate ng salawikain o Filipino proverb na kailangan nilang ipaliwanag sa wikang Ingles para maintindihan ng Big Brother Finland.
Number 4. Number 4. Okay. Are you ready? Kahoy mang babad sa tubig. Kapag nadarang sa apoy, sa pilitang magdidikit.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. In the real life, even though you are a fire and I am a water, we will be together forever and ever. Because love will set us free. That will be all. Thank you.
Matibay ang walis, palibhasay magkabigkis.
It means every single stake represents a member from a group, and if they're bonded together, they can work as one and they can never be broken. Thank you.
Bihirang masilayan, agad nakakalimutan.
People are like vapor. They appear once, then suddenly they disappear. Time is precious. Therefore, those people, you can only meet those people once in your life. So, grab that chance. That's all. Thank you. Mabuhay.
Ang pag-aasawa ay hindi biro. Di tulad ng kanin, iluluwa kung mapaso.
For me, marriage is not joke. If you love that person, don't let her go. That's all.
Short and sweet. I love it. Okay. At eto naman, let's go Kathy. Kathy, I'm sorry, pero number 2 na yung sayo. Naghangad ng kagitna. Isang salop ang nawala.
It's like a one person looking for the goodness of oneself and avoiding those people who are bad influence or who are a trouble in a society. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much sa ating top 5. Okay. At nanonood ang mga friends natin from Finland. Okay? Yes. At para malaman natin kung ano ang naging decision nila, natin na si Yuka.
Maraming salamat, Mariel. Top 5 housemates. Ako ay natutuwa sa inyong pinakitang galing at talino sa harap ng aking mga kaibigan. Subalit sa inyong 5, 3 lamang sa inyo ang kanilang napili. Ibig sabihin, ang 3 ito ay ang maglalaban-laban para maging kinatawan ng aking bahay para sa Big Brother Finland. In no particular order, ito ang top 3. Hermes.
Sobrang proud ako sa kanya. Parang, ang galing-galing niya. Alam mo yun, kahit na hindi siya nag-e-effort, napili pa rin siya. He deserves na makasama sa finalists.
Kathy.
Relate man ako si Kathy. Because for one, maganda talaga siya. Very Filipina yung ganda niya. She's intelligent.
Melissa.